down. We nailed that. We did nail that. So take a little bit of our vinyl adhesive. Again, I like to what's called burn it into the floor. Trowel, pressing hard, getting all the pores exposed or absorbing all this adhesive. That is called burning it in. So burn it in there. Whoop, burn it in there. And here, because I made a little boo-boo, gotta get a little extra adhesive right there. Oh, I forgot this is when to change. Not,
No, this is Allen.
Is it?
Yeah.
Huh?
This is Allen.
Okay. You're right. So again, burn it in. A little bit extra on the side. Throw it in a little bit. Up, burn it in there. A lot of glue, a lot of glue. Then you burn it flat. Kind of like floating it in there at this point. Okay, that's good. That's good. Then you take one more blob from the bucket and we comb it in. Now, if you remember, we have glue underneath this underlayment. We worked it in and then we're combing it in one more time. Okay, same thing, comb it in here, comb it there, comb it there, comb it there. And like I said, keep in mind, go in one direction. I know for some of you guys, it's hard to break that habit. Once you get the habit of doing circles on the wall or on the floor, and you've been doing it for years, then one day, somebody tells you you're doing it wrong, and they explain to you the science of it all, and you're like, yeah, you're right. Air will get trapped in there, and what happens when air gets trapped in there is it doesn't adhere to the other side. If you guys are wondering what the downfall is to that, it's not really a big deal, except if your tile was kind of dusty and dry, and right when you put your mortar on there, it absorbs and it's not sticky anymore, and it won't stick to the other side. When that happens, you have to do what's called back butter the piece. Right now, I'm still on point, so I don't need the back butter because it's still pretty fresh and moist. I just take that, slap it in there, slap it in there, slap that in there. Ooh, scared me. If a little beat block happened to it. Clear off that excess crap right here. Beat block it down. That means beating some more. Doesn't want to listen, huh? There you go. Okay. Good. Make sure it's stuck in there. Oh, big mistake. I went too far, too fast. Now, I'll have to hide that somehow. I'm a good mechanic. I can hide that pretty well. Okay. And the stair nosy right here. And you new piece of metal. The last time I did it 5/8 off the riser. So again, we go 5/8 off the riser.
You say you need more screws?
I got some. The last time I refilled. So that's a 5/8. That can go there. That's a 5/8. In the middle. 5/8 right there. Okay. My drill. So tomorrow, now that I've got it dialed in, I shouldn't take as long tomorrow. I'll get here at a decent time. Get stuff set up, pre-cut all those. And then slam, bam, thank you, ma'am. We're out for the weekend. For all you guys out there who like to play outdoors, we're having a festival out of Lake Lahontan in the middle of June. We'll be out there for 4 days, just relaxing. Got the jet skis going on. We got 2 jet skis and a power boat. My friend Tom, he's been working on this boat for like 2 years now. We built it 3 times, really. Off there by a little hair. Let me take our little pry bar right here. And we open her up because she's so tight that what happens is it won't go in right. So we just open her up. Open up, big boy. Open up your mouth. There you go. Oh yeah, there we go. Then we lay our first tile. And remember, we were the small tab towards us. And then we slam it in there. Oh, conundrum. And remember, when you do tile or any type of adhesive work, you always want to swoosh and mush. Swoosh and mush means push down and move it and put it back to where it's supposed to go. Then I usually take my rail, stair nosing, pop that baby in. Oh, feeling a little tight there. And what I like to do is I like to go to the edge of this riser, take it to the point, and do that. Then I'll take my beating block, good old trusty hammer, and just give it a good old tap. Oh yeah, it took. Make sure you always feel underneath that you're nice and tight on there. And while you're doing securing it here and you measured it correctly from the face of this, that piece of metal will catch it every time. Okay. Sounds a little extreme, but you know, you gotta break a couple of eggs if you want some scrambled eggs. Alright, so now we're nice and tight. My last cut is going to be 3 3/4. And it's like a series. This is a 3 3/4 strong. So we're about a 16th off, just like the last one. So with that being said, we're like this. Okay. So we make, where's my pencil? What I got a Sharpie. So we go like this, but I don't like to measure like this. We'll reverse it. measure from here, the 3 strong, which is this guy right here. 3 3/4 strong, and this side 3 3/4. Bam. Okay, we'll take this back outside. Make it for the last cut. And then tomorrow we'll resume part 2. We're going to do the landing and see where it takes us. Right now we're going to make this line cut, clean up, and